Welcome students. I am Khan sir, a teacher at Sri Maharshi Vidya Mandir. Welcome. As you know that we are going to have our pre-mid examination very soon. So this time Sri Maharshi Vidya Mandir has decided to conduct the pre-mid examination online through Google Forms. So this video will train you how to give your examination with the help of the Google form. So I request all of you to watch this video very carefully and understand the process of giving the examination. So first of all, your teachers will share you the link of the Google form in your WhatsApp group, class WhatsApp group. The link would look like this. So this is not WhatsApp, but this is my own notes app. So you'll click on this link, the form will get open. It depends on the speed of internet that you're getting right now. So this is the form of paper of class 9 standard. This is a bit lengthy paper. So what process we'll have to do? This is, make sure this is class 9th and social science paper. Time given is this much. So 6 to 8, this information will change. So first of all, the most important thing is you'll have to input correct email address, because correct email address is very important, because on this email address you will get your result. Then teacher should know whose paper is this, so you need to write your name also. Make sure you write the correct name and correct spellings. Then you may get to choose which class is this, 6, 7, 8. It is for 9, so I am choosing 9th standard. So in your paper, either this question will not be there. If it is given, your standard is also given there. Okay, this is the basic information. So now I'll click on the next, because I have filled the basic information. Next section onwards, I will be able to see my questions. See, these are MCQs, multiple choice question, or there may be 1 mark question. It can be anything. You will read and come to know about this. So let me choose the MCQs. I am not reading them randomly. I am choosing anything. Here I need to write something. Whatever is the answer. Suppose this is the right answer. I know the answer, so I am typing here. What do you think is correct answer? Just type here. Very small answers you'll have to type. Long answers you don't have to type. Long answers you have to copy on a sheet of paper first. Then you write the long answers on your on any sheet of paper, and then take the photo of that paper and upload. I'll show how to do that. So I'm just simply selecting here my MCQs first. Okay, again this MCQ, again this MCQ. Now my MCQs are done. Now, but there is a risk now. If I'm using computer and my power goes, then what would happen to my phone? If my internet speed cuts, then my power connectivity goes then. So first, whatever answers I have typed, I'll submit them, but I don't get the submit button here. I'll go till the end, because the submit button is at the end. Next means you're going to the next page. I'm going to find out the submit button at the end. This paper is a bit lengthy. 6 to 8 paper won't be that lengthy. Don't be very worried about. This is a 9th standard paper. So I'll submit the button. See, button's color got faint because it's submitting. Now thank you, your question paper has been submitted successfully. Yes, now my paper is submitted. But remember what I did? I have solved only MCQs and the very short answer question, and I submitted. Why I submitted? Because at the end, if my power goes or due to some reason I am not able to submit, so I'm submitted it now. But now I want to solve the full paper. Don't worry, I am closing this window. Oh, let me close this window. I've closed my browser. Again I will go to WhatsApp. Here I'm going to color note, clicking the form again. Now one thing is very clear, I need to log into my Google Chrome with my email ID. I've already logged in. Now what I can see, what here I am able to see, edit your responses. So if I click on this, my form, my paper will again start for me. So I'll click on it. Now I can change my answer. See, my email address is already typed here. I must not change my email address. ये email address बिल्कुल भी change नहीं करना, because it is already submitted one. Everything is given. Now next. I will not change my these answers. See, these are my saved answers. Don't change these answers because already done. Now my problem is not problem. What I want. Now I'll solve this question. What is the answer? I need to read this and then type the answer. Whatever I don't know the answer, I'll simply write randomly any random text I'm writing here. Okay, any random text. Now again, I want to submit this, because if my power goes, then this won't be submitted. Forget about this blank button that you are able to see at the end. Neglect it. Again, I'm looking for the submit button. Now submit. Now my answer is again submitted. So I'm closing this window again. Again, I'm going to the form link again. Of course, you don't need to do it again and again. At one go also, you can write all the answers. But if the power goes, then I'm saying this. And now I won't submit till I upload my all the answers. Let me again name, email address same. This section is completed. This section random answers I typed, this is also submitted. Now this section I did not answer. Again, the second paragraph I need to read and write the answers. So again here too I will write any random answer, because I don't want the video to be very long. Now next, all these were the small answers. Now there the long answers are starting. Long answer started now. Now I will write all these questions somewhere on the paper. I will write all these answers. This question, this question, these questions I will write with the question number. Then I'll go to next. Then again I will write these 2 questions, 3 questions. Okay, I have written all the questions. Now you can put this form off. Okay, I put this form off. Now meanwhile I am writing my answers on the paper, because questions I have already copied. Now I am writing my answers, and suppose my answer writing is done. Now I need to upload. Again I will go to the form. Oh, not here. I'll go to the link here. Now I am ready with my answers. So again here, edit my response, my email address, my name, my class is already written. I have written my long answers on the sheet of paper now. Meanwhile, that you are supposed to do. This already solved one. These are also already solved. Now here I need to add my answer. Now this is very important. You can upload only your image. So you take the photos in your phone, and you should know where the photos are kept in your file manager. If your phone support, you can take the direct photo also. I am clicking on this question: which features of the French Constitution of 1791 prevent it from being an ideal constitution? Suppose I have written the paper answer. I am taking the photo. Upload here. I clicked on select files from the device. See, I have clicked on upload button, then I clicked on this select file from device. I am clicking it. It is asking me to use my camera. If it is very good if your phone gives you this option, open camera. But if your phone doesn't give you open camera, I'll show you just. I'll open the camera. This is my phone. I take this photo. Okay. But suppose the camera option is not available, I am deleting this. It is good if you get the camera option available, but if it is not available, then what you'll do, again click on the files, you go to files. Now you should know where your files are saved. So generally images are saved. Now find out where is your image, or you can simply go to WP, or you should know in your phone. Open, this is my file manager, this is my phone, and my photos are generally saved in gallery, my camera. So these are the photos I have already clicked. Randomly I'll take any photo here. I'll update this photo. Okay, this photo is very long. I need a photo maximum up to 10 MB. Photo cannot be more than 10 MB. So I'll take another photo. I'll take this photo, whichever is this. So the photo is selected. Once your photo is selected, then you need to press this button. Okay, now I'm clicking on upload. It takes time based on the internet. I have to wait. Now this file is added. This is my answer. Now second answer. First I'll show how to do. Now I'm taking photo. I'm taking photo from my camera now. Because suppose my phone doesn't support, my form is not supporting camera there. So I'll take the photo. One photo I have taken. This is my another answer. And this is my third answer. Only these photos I will be using. Make sure that you take the clear photos. Okay, I'll put it off. I'll again go to my form. I'll add photos. Now I have already taken the photos. I'll go to my files. I'll go to my images. See, already images are visible. Recent images are visible. That was my second answer. Clicked. Upload and click. Again, it depends on the internet. Be fast. Okay, now done. When now it is done. See, I can now I'm scared that if my internet goes, then so first I will save these images. If my internet goes, I will lose all these images. All I have to put again then. So पहले इसको सेव करके आ जाता हूँ ताकि चले ना जाए. रिफ्रेश नहीं करना याद. डू नॉट रिफ्रेश दिस पेज. ऊपर से नीचे हम फिंगर घुमाते हैं, ऐसा रिफ्रेश नहीं करना उसको. सबमिट. So my two long answers are submitted. See, this is happening. Submit button become faint now. Done. Again I will go. If I'm scared that I may lose my internet connectivity, then I'll do this. Otherwise, I can solve all the form at once. Now my two long answers are submitted. Next. All this depends on the internet speed. So don't be panic if your internet is very slow. We will be giving you 15 minutes exclusively to upload the answers. You'll get separate time to write your answers and separate time to upload your answers. So first focus only on writing the long answers. See, these two images were already uploaded. They're still uploaded. I cannot remove these images now. Okay. Now third image I want to upload. I was scared earlier because if power goes, then I won't be able to upload my images. I was scared. So I submitted last time. Now this is my third image. Again I click on upload. Upload. Don't do this mantra. It doesn't happen. It all depends on the internet speed. Now see, this time really the internet speed has gone down. So have patience. Shanti. धैर्य बनाए रखे कृपया. But don't take patience of my test of my patience. मेरे धैर्य की परीक्षा मत ले Google. Please. Okay, it's taking time. Internet. Oh, Wi-Fi. It's working on Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is slow. See, what's the problem? This problem may happen. So you can upload. Okay, I'll put it off now. Now let me change it. Let me use my phone's connectivity. So this problem occurred. Now my other questions are answers are safe because I have already submitted them. If I had not submitted them, I would have lost them. So I'll again attempt one more time to upload this answer. Files, this, upload. Now also you're testing my patience. Now this time it's not testing my patience. Now uploading fast. Got it? Do, date, done. Yes. Now my these 3 marks questions are over. Now these questions, now you understood this. Okay, so you write this question somewhere on the paper, write their answers, take the photos and later upload, or if your form supports, you can directly take the photo from camera. For example, for my phone it is supporting the camera option. This is the camera option. And my phone is supporting camera option in the Google form. Your phone may not support. If your phone doesn't support, so you already click the photos, then come to this file and press it. Clear? But I don't want to upload any photo now because my purpose is done. Suppose I have uploaded this photos too. Okay, I randomly upload any photo. मैं इनकी भी photo ले लिया हूँ. Now I'll take from file. Now I'll take this image. Upload. Okay, very fast. Now here, now this I'll take the photo again from the camera because my camera is supporting. Some of your phones may not support this. Now I'm opening camera. I just take the back side of this book. That is a demo book I'm taking. Yes, this is a bit heavy photo. I think 2.74 MB. Camera file, this file was heavy. So let me upload this. Mm, 3, 2, fast. So this I pray to God that this should not happen to you, but happened. I don't know the answer of this question, so I won't upload. But you try to upload every answer, okay? Now this map, which place is this? I know this is Paris. I never went to Paris, but I want to go. I heard that it's a beautiful place. Patna. Patna is in our country. People of Patna are very brilliant. I met few of them. So this is just a random answer. I'll just submit this button. This submit button comes at the end of the form. It means I have completed all my answers. I'm waiting. Now my form is completely submitted. Now my work is done. So if you face any problem, you can contact your teachers. Teachers will solve your problems, or teacher may direct you to me also, but okay, if there is any problem, talk to teachers. I hope this is done. Now I'll end this video. Thank you so much and best of luck for your exams. Goodbye and take care. रुक रे बाबा.